everybody in our channel Learn Cooking. I'm going today to prepare beef with potato. I have slices of beef. I cut the beef into cubes. I cut the onion into cubes or small pieces. I have green pepper. To prepare this recipe, you should wash the beef well. I put a pan on the fire. I add some oil, as you can see. When the oil becomes hot, I add the beef. I stir the beef in the hot oil. I add the onion, chopped onion. I add the green pepper. I make the fire low for 10 minutes until they become medium, or until they move the water inside it. I stir them very well. I add black pepper. I stir them together. You can see there is a water in the pan. Should be removed. The water should be removed. I add bay leaves. After 15 minutes, the water is removed. This is the oil in the pan. I add some water to cook the beef well. Now it's boiling. I add the potatoes, cubes of potatoes. I leave them together and I add more water until they become well done. I add some salt. I leave them for about 30 minutes until it becomes well done. Now our recipe, potato with the beef. It's very easy to prepare this recipe. It doesn't take any time at all. Cubes of beef and the cubes of potato, some chopped onion and green pepper. I mix them together well on the fire. Give me a very delicious recipe. I hope you try doing this recipe. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, activate the bell icon, support me with your opinion. Thank you.